Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix phone heating while charging on Motorola ThinkPhone 25. If your phone starts to heat up while charging, don't worry. In many cases it's completely normal, especially when using fast charging. But if it's getting too hot, here's what you can do. First up, check up for apps running in the background, because some apps can cause a lot of power without realizing. So to check it, just open up your settings, down to battery usage, and here you can check which apps are consuming the most energy. So close or uninstall any that you don't really need. Next, always try to use the original charger and cables that came with your device, because low quality chargers can cause overheating and even damage your battery. Also, avoid using your phone while it's charging, especially for things like gaming, video recording or navigation. These activities generate heat on their own, and combined with charging it can make the device much warmer. Another simple tip is to remove your phone case while charging. Cases can trap heat and prevent proper cooling. And finally, one of the most valid things, charge your phone in a cool, open, well-ventilated area. Avoid charging under pillows, blankets or in direct sunlight. By following the steps, you can reduce heat and help protect your battery in the long run. Thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel.